Nihalika. My project name is Neuron Structure. A neuron varies in shape and size depending on its function and location. All neurons have three different parts: dendrites, cell body, and axon. Parts of neuron. Following are the different parts of a neuron. Dendrites. These are branch-like structures that receive messages from other transmissions of messages to the cell body. Cell body. Each neuron has a cell body with a nucleus, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum, mitochondria, and other components. Axon. Axon is a tube-like structure that carries electrical impulse to the cell body. Axon terminals that pass the impulse to another neuron. SNPs. It is the chemical junction between the terminals of one neuron and dendrites of another neuron. Thank you.